Ndekeni, Ajeni, Otofeni, or Samadnekene. Let's watch this video below. Let's listen to what these elders from Ikwerre have to say concerning Ikwerre identity.
Ikwerre language is one of the recognized languages in Nigeria and the United Nations. Whoever is in doubt can contact the appropriate federal government authorities and the UN. While Ikwerre is our political name, Ikwerre is our native name, and both refer to us, Ikwerre ethnic nationality. Ikwerre, in his unguarded and uncut statements, all made within 1 week, stressed that Ikwerre is Igbo because she speaks Igbo language. How did our people learn to speak Igbo language? It was basically through social and economic interactions before, during, and after the slave trade. Igbo culture appears stronger in relating and assimilating other people's culture to its numerical strength, supported by their deep tendency in taking over other people's ways of life. The Igbo trader will never try to speak Ikwerre, rather, they will speak Igbo. And because they have the economic and numerical strengths, they tend to command trading respect from others. This way, and over decades, other traders in that market learned Igbo language, even unknowingly. Thus, our people, and indeed Niger Delta people, have understood and spoke Igbo. And this surely does not mean they are Igbo origin. Another way our people learned Igbo language was through the millions of Igbo women married to Ikwerre men. After marriage, the children are sure to learn and know more of Igbo language than Ikwerre language. During the Eastern Regional Government, around 1952-1967, the Igbo dominated all strata of government. They forget that Ishekiri and Urobo are from Benin, but they hardly speak Benin language. They forget that Igbos claim to be Jews, but they do not speak Jewish language. They forget that as Nigerians, we communicate through English language and bear English names, yet we are not English people. Can it be true that the Ikwerre man is Igbo? So if Igbos can be in millions and thousands in all countries of the world, then they are surely in millions in Ikwerre land. And no wonder Ikwerre himself was raised in Ikwerre land. Lumokoro.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what he said. Everywhere this man talking a lie. Truth not for waiting him talk. Late president of our nation, Igbo, Iwanyawo, may he so rest in peace. He is right by calling Ikwerre people Igbos, because Ikwerre people are Igbos, 100% Igbos. Now, this man said that what made Ikwerre people to stop speaking Ikwerre language and started speaking Igbo is because the Igbos flocked to Ikwerre land, and because of trade, and because of that trade, they started speaking Igbo language and no longer their Ikwerre language. He is lying. The language of Ikwerre since history of creation is Igbo. And what Ikwerre people speak today is a dialect of Igbo. Okay, so there's not like Ikwerre language. Call it language is Igbo language. Call it dialect is Igbo language. So no be trader will come change your language. If you say that trading stopped your language, Ijaw people don't enter Ikwerre land trade. Why they not change Ikwerre language to Ijaw language? Ijaw people trade for Ikwerre land. Why their language not change to Ijaw language? So that lie not hold that. This man is lying. And he also said that Ikwerre is being registered as a separate entity, as a separate language in Nigeria. The Nigerian government knows that Ikwerre language is Igbo language. They know that Ikwerre dialect is a dialect of Igbo. Okay? So may they just deceive themselves. Ikwerre are Igbo people. And he also said that it's because their ancestors married millions of Igbo women. That's why their language changed. When our ancestors were not married from Ijaw land. Ijaw women when married, you not change Ikwerre language to Ijaw. Now the ones who come married from Igbo land, now can change your language to Igbo. This man is lying. Truth not in mouth. Truth not in mouth. If you go to Anambra State, most especially Onitsha, you will see many businesses, warehouses there. No be everybody will get all those business come from Onitsha. Some of those people are from Anioma land. Some of them are from Ukwane, Ikainoane. Some of them are from Ebonyi State, Enugu State, Imo State, Abia State. Now they get business for that place. But today, they all speak Onitsha dialect. all of them not adopt Okwane dialect, come begin speak, and for them also okay, Okwane people can't change their dialect. They are speaking the dialect of Onitsha. If Okwane person will get a house for they see another Okwane person, they go speak Okwane. If Ngwa person where they there, we get a house, see another Ngwa person, they go speak Ngwa. Okay, so Ebole biko wachi. Open a one when nobody being care, you know, never for so many years. You give also by the dialect of that place. So they just be like people where they pay me, they just come out, they lie. They preach false information just to divide Igbo people. Let me tell you something. Ndi Ikwerre bu Ndi Igbo. Where is the ancestor of Ikwerre people? The ancestor of Ikwerre people is traced to other regions of Igbo land. Different regions of Igbo land made up Ikwerre. Ikwerre ancestors can be traced to places like Bende, Aro, Chukwu, and other regions of Igbo land. So all those Ikwerre people say, hey, we are from Bini. What's the name of that one? A Bini ancestor. They will tell you Akalaka. Akalaka is not a Bini man. Akalaka Boni Igbo. If you like tell us, say, he did for Oba Bini Palace as chief. He's just a chief there. He is not a Bini person. No Oba Bini give him beginning name. Call him Akalaka. Akalaka means destiny. Ask those Ikwerre people, what's the meaning of that? The name of your ancestor Akalaka. They will tell you destiny. Ask Oba people, they will tell you destiny. They will tell you that Akalaka have a half brother. What's the meaning of that in half brother? Ocheche. What's the meaning of Ocheche? Ruler. Leader. That's the meaning of Ocheche. Onye Ocheche. Onye Anache. Leader. So Akalaka and his brother Ocheche are not Benin people. Stop all this lie. Una go lie. If like bring documented lies, show us. We go see the tell us say una dey lie. Oromiyan children na Yoruba people, Akalaka children, Ochichi children, Ezechime children na Igbo people. So stop deceiving yourself, these elders. You people are liars. You gather mind, sit down, hold ground, they lie. You go sit down, hold ground, they puncture those lies. Ndi Ikwerre bu Ndi Igbo. Ndi Ikwerre bu Ndi Obinu. The language of Ikwerre have been Igbo since time immemorial. And no be today una go begin dey claim say una no be Igbo people. Ndi Ikwerre bu Ndi Igbo. And we will always be here to preach unity to our people. Igbo bulofu, no lie or propaganda can divide we Igbos. Igbo bulofu, and nobody can divide us. Ishewale.